Okay, so next. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you some tricks I use with the handling time here and also some great tips about this option here, exclude shipping locations. Okay, so this will help you to get more sales even and just to adjusting a little bit in your settings, we're going to make a big deal actually. Okay, for those who don't know me, I'm Andrew and I'm here with the free video training Dropship and Grow Rich, which is exactly what it is. Okay, so I'm not selling you here anything, just showing you the proven method how I get to the six-figure income with the eBay dropshipping. So you can do the same, no paid tools, nothing to pay, not for you, not for me. Everything is available for free if you know how it works. Okay, so today's session about the handling time. Okay, so you see I this is my kind of like a setting, standard setting, handling time 3 business days. It's plenty. You can in a time you can up, of course you can go here and change if you want to 2 business days. All right, some in some cases I have 1 business day and 2 business days in some cases. Okay, but those are the kind of like separate exceptions. Okay, normally the standard is the 3 business days, so plenty of time to add tracking number, plenty of time to order and stuff like this. Okay, now what's the trick is? The trick is if you have been on an eBay and if you are like doing some or you are shipping and you get excited about this and get some sales and suddenly you go to Amazon and find out if you are shipping, because I'm talking about shipping from Amazon. It's the same works for Walmart or for every supplier if you do some other things, right? But there is some unpleasant situations when we come to our supplier and it says, hey, temporarily out of stock. Okay, you know those crazy things and then we get crazy, oh my gosh, what shall I do, right? So some people, they used to change the price, they make a crazy price. You see, this is my shipping speed, that's what I use usually. Okay, some people change the price. Well, one option, you can change the price. Okay, it's not the best one, but you can do that. So my trick is, what I used to do is I used to put the 10 business days. All right. If it's out of stock, I don't change anything else. I'm just coming here in the settings and put 10 business days. Okay. Which will gonna allow you, because you see, the point here is you can do this only if you know the supplier. What I mean, if you know the supplier, it means that you have been you know the pattern a little bit, because I have been talking about this pattern a lot. If you do your dropshipping, you must know a little bit at least how your supplier used to act, restock, keep their stock on, availability, how long they have been around in a business. Is it the new item or this item is already proven to be good in the market? It's kind of like all those things. It's very important when it's come together. Okay, so if I know that this I have been selling and selling, and sometimes happens that they run out of stock for all sorts of different reasons, and so, but I know, I'm pretty sure that they were gonna be back, well, maximum in a 1 week max. Okay, so this is what I do. I don't change any price. I don't take out of the stock. I just put handling time 10 business days, and that's completely fine with me, with eBay, and also in most cases with the buyers. In some cases, buyers send me a message and ask, hey, freak, what are you doing? Why 10 business days? Can you just send it to me? I need this rather quick. Sorry, sometimes it's just you get some weird messages, but not very often. It's not normal, but it's just those extreme situations. Okay, so if you do this, this will gonna help you to even if they order, and in matter of fact, you will get some orders, because so many people, they get the prices. Let's say if they sell some popcorn machine from the Walmart for $29 and suddenly it's running out of stock and you can't find anywhere. But you know, the popcorn machine, this small popper, will gonna be back in a few days, 3-5 days. Okay, so instead of taking price from $29 up to $129, don't do that. I don't do this. I keep the price the same, but I change the business, the handling time here. Okay, 10 business days. So what will gonna happen on a scene there will be that the buyers will come and you will get even some few sales, but those buyers are aware of having this business day, 10 business day, the handling time. Okay, so this is one trick. Okay, let me go change back to 3 business days because this is my real listing. I don't want to mess up just because I showed you some video. Another thing is about the exclude shipping locations. Okay, so this is quite important. If you don't want to item location, you know, we have a video. Go check my videos if you. This is also very important here. Okay, but now this is about the shipping locations. I suggest, based on my experience, of course you may have another experiences and stuff like this, but this is what I do. I allow only shipping to Hawaii and Alaska, not so many from Alaska, maybe even, you know, I don't know why, maybe only couple of times in a year I get something from Alaska. Okay, but from Hawaii pretty often comes. I have been living in Hawaii myself, so it's quite okay to ship to Hawaii. It's no problem. It goes a little bit longer, but Amazon is very fine to ship to Hawaii, no problem. Okay, so because so many people mark this one and they don't ship to Hawaii, if you unmark this, you have all those options to ship to Hawaii as well. So you got kind of like another small state where many people are not shipping to, but you can ship there because Amazon is shipping there for free. It's just a little bit extended shipping speed, but trust me, people who lives in Hawaii, they understand that. As I told you, I have been living in Hawaii for 2 years myself, so I understand that the shipping from the mainland will not gonna come in 2 days. Okay, so the Hawaiian people are very nice people, very polite people there. So they will not gonna never ever they made any problems about the shipping for me. So it's that's why I used to ship to Hawaii as well. So it's no problem at all. So you just save here and you're good to go. Okay, so that's about the regions and where you can ship. There is one more. This is kind of like I don't know. Not works always. It's not working always. Even if you have tick here this PO box, okay, the post box. There is many times it's eBay's error or something like this. People still buying who have the postbox addresses. Okay, you can't do anything really about that. Just if you are not shipping the office chair, okay, let it go. Okay, your small toy or something like this, let it go there. If it's the item about a few $100 you're shipping, okay, so don't ship. Ask for the physical address to them. Send them the message and ask for the physical address because your courier is not shipping that stuff to the post boxes because in the post boxes you can fit the office chair inside. All right, so it's just again it's communication with the buyer, so it's nothing really like very bad, but you just need to communicate with the buyer and it will gonna be sold in many cases. So sometimes buyers they just give you another address or their physical address and they didn't thought that oh shoot, I forgot about that I needed for the office chair to give my home address. Oh, it's okay, just send it to my home. So because they used to have the post box and all those spam mails and they don't want to provide their address, stuff like this. So it's just pretty like easy thing to deal with. Okay, so otherwise, all those things I do not recommend, because you can, of course, but if you want to stay from Puerto Rico and stuff like this, it's very bad. Well, not very bad, very complicated shipping there, and to deal with those people. They don't speak so much English, most of them, so they write you in their language. Back some notice, and so I just don't ship there. So although Amazon is shipping to Puerto Rico as well, and some people say, oh, I have no problem to ship to Puerto Rico. Well, okay, cool, but this is not what I'm doing, because I rather ship to Hawaii than to Puerto Rico, and that's why I mark all those things off of my desktop. Okay, so that's just, I hope we're gonna help you at something here, and see you on the next video. All right, take care, bye bye.